Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. Today's video, wet and dry vacuum cleaner from Parkside, the model PWD 20B2. Effortlessly removes wet and dry dirt, power consumption 1300 watts, suction power 200 air watt, container volume 19.8 liter, accessories included with a 3 years warranty, and rust-free stainless steel. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it, find out the suction power. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. Of course, the manual, instructions, dirt container, stainless steel, 2 fastening clips on red color, and at the front we have the suction connector. You can connect the hose here, press and it locks. Press this button and unlock. And of course, at the bottom we can install the 5 wheels. It is very easy to do that. Just slide here, press, and it locks. And that was all. Very easy to rotate. Now moving on at the accessories, we have 3-piece suction pipes connect each other. If you want, you can use the 1, 2 only, all together 3. Next we have the grease nozzle for tight areas. Next it is the floor nozzle with brass at the front and rubber. 360 degrees rotates the head here. And of course you can connect the spiral hose here at the suction pipe, and to the other end you can connect one accessory here or for tight areas, or if you want you can connect it directly at the spiral hose. Next we have the foam filter for wet suction, and already installed we have the textile filter for dry suction. To remove, just pull, remove, and of course we have in the paper filter bag connect at the vacuum. Let me show you. You can connect that inside here. Press and it locks. If you don't want to use the container and you want to use a bag. Rubber around, sealing very well here at the connection. And of course we have in the main unit the on-off switch. We have two accessory holders, one here and one here. You can have your accessories here. The handle. Here it is the outlet for the air. So you can use this vacuum and as a blower. Connect that and use it as a blower. Maybe you want to dry your car after washing. And of course we have 4 meters of cable. I like that. It's very convenient. And here you can have your cable at this plastic around. Alignment that here and then lock. And of course here are the wheels. You can install these tubes all around. And somewhere here you can have the spiral hose. Now I will start first with the dust collection. I need this filter, and I will use the container, not the paper bag. Wow, the outlet, it is so strong for the air blower. I like it. Here I have a thick sawdust from wood. It is plenty. And let's test the suction power. Good job, I like it. Let's see what we have at the container. We can see the bag is holding all the dust. And at the container, plenty dust. Now I have some stuff on the floor from my kitchen. Nice, I like it. Fast and reliable cleaning. Let's test it at the carpet. It is a thick carpet, so it will be hard to clean. Let's find out. For the wet cleaning, I need to use this filter. Install it here. Take your time. It is very sensitive. Try not to break this filter. A bucket of water. Let's test the suction power for the water. Amazing! It doesn't take no more than 15 seconds. 12 liters of water. Thumbs up. Great job. And the blower. You can clean your car, home, store or connect it to any power tool for clean working space. It has a high suction power to cover your needs at any condition. Very easy to use and moving around with the wheels in the container. You can store all your accessories in the vacuum cleaner. I will recommend it having a metal telescopic tube and nozzle with wheels at the front, but I think that is the next model with higher price. With a cost only 50 euros, you know where to find it. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.